Maybe it's just Grandma's call.
Cough, guys. Cough.
I made it.
You did.
I'm just so cute, guys.
Grandma Dar, do it again.
Look at it. Look how cute it is.
We all felt like we got cold.
Come here.
Grandma Dar, do it.
Come here.
He's on to me now.
Oh.
Well, at least you got to see it a little bit.
Oh, here he is. There you go.
Hey.
Grandma Dar, he's jumping at you. Cough at him.
Let's change it. Come here. Come here. Come here.
Oh no, we got another one coming.
What?
Eva, what do you think? Is that silly?
I can't see them. Oh yeah, I see the fully one, the rainbow one. I don't know, is it?
Okay, try one more time, Dar.
Okay.
Here
you go.
It wants you so bad. Eva, what do you think? Eva, what do you think? Eva, tell me, what do you think of this?
Are prarie dogs wild animals?
Yes, they are.
Grandma Dare doesn't really want you out. No.
Oh my goodness, this is too silly. Look at him dance.
That's too silly. Prarie dogs are very wild and they climb on walls. You like me?
Okay, everybody say goodbye to the prairie dog.
No,